I'm on the River Trent having a go for Barbel. It's a really nice summer's day. The river was in flood about a week ago and now it's receding. It doesn't look like anyone has been fishing my swim. I'm going to have to trim a lot of the brambles down. And now for my first cast. I'll have a go near that tree in case there's one lying there. While I'm waiting, I'll tackle up my other rod. That was quick on my first cast. That doesn't happen very often. It feels a good fish. I've got to make sure it doesn't get into those tree roots. That boat was going too fast. I picked an awkward swim. I've got to make sure it doesn't get into that tree to the left of me. It feels really big and it's going for the snags. I can't let it get in there. What a lovely barbel. If you like the video and you haven't already, please subscribe. And now for my second cast. Throw in a few free offerings after each fish. A barbel on my second cast as well. Incredible. I've got to stop it going into my own bank below that tree to my right. I need to play it out in that middle area and not get it near the edge too quickly. This one doesn't look quite as big as the other, but still a really nice fish. I unhooked that one in the landing net and then returned it. I have a cage feeder on a running clip with a stop bead underneath it and a fairly short hook length with a 16mm boilie covered in paste. I knew it couldn't continue. I kept fishing one rod for quite a while and just had a few bites but kept missing them. I eventually resorted to putting 2 rods out. Two rods didn't make much difference either, I still kept missing a few bites. It needs a direct angling approach, touch ledgering. This is how I hold the line when I'm touch ledgering. The little finger feels the bite first. Fishing my short hook length, it means I'm more directly in touch with the fish. You can feel when the barbel are around, nudging your feeder. You get sharp knocks. This is one of the most exciting ways of fishing. I kept fishing until after dark and did get a nice one on the last